Easy come, easy go, that's just how you live. Oh, take it all, but you never give. Should've known you was trouble from the first kiss. Had your eyes wide open, why were they open? Gave you all I had and you tossed it in the trash. You tossed it in the trash, you did. To give me all your love is all I ever ask. Cause what you don't understand is I'd catch a grenade for ya, throw my hand on a blade for ya, I'd jump in front of a train for ya. You know I'd do anything for ya. Oh, I would go through all this pain, take a bullet straight through my brain. Yes, I would die for you, baby, but you won't do the same. No, 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 no. Black and blue, beat me till I'm numb. Tell the devil I said hey when you get back to where you're from. Mad woman, bad woman, that's just what you are. Yeah, you'll smile in my face, then rip the brakes out my car. Gave you all I had and you tossed it in the trash. You tossed it in the trash, yes you did. To give me all your love is all I ever ask. Cause what you don't understand is I'd catch a grenade for ya, throw my hand on a blade for ya, I'd jump in front of a train for ya. You know I'd do anything for ya. Oh, I would go through all this pain.
Parting is a 166, 166, 208. Thank you, driver, for the nice tone. And 166, 208. That one. Passing is a 444, 444, 029. Damn, another two-tone. It's tone. Down for London Waterloo. The other train's coming. Yeah, 444 bound for London Waterloo.
Of up to 30 minutes. Alterations or cancellations at short notice.
6201.
There are no train services between London Waterloo to Chivington South, Hampton Court and Dorking. Portsmouth Harbour, Alton, Exeter St David.
444 00035. Coming in is a 456 bound for is it terminating? Terminating 2 456s from Ascot. 456 006 and 019. Now departing is the 1258 Southwest train service to London Waterloo. That was a nice tone there. On the front is 455, 719 and 455, 716. Bound for London Waterloo. Next station for that is London Road, Guildford. Four five six 013 and 456 011, heading to Ascot. Now coming is a 444. Just round your head. 444 heading to Portsmouth and Southsea. 444 008. Now departing is a 444 020 bound for London Waterloo. Coming in is a 455 terminating in from now coming in is a now turning around is 166 220 220. And now coming in is 455 853.
Emergency engineering works at London Waterloo. Platforms 1 to 4 has been shut, resulting in delays of up to 30 minutes. Alteration of cancellation and short train services
And 455 707.
Portsmouth Harbour, Milton, Exeter St David's, Salisbury, Guildford via Hull, and Shepperton services are amended. Please check to confirm. We are anticipating disruption until 11 p.m. We have compensation. Please visit
Now departing is 444
compensation. We are sorry for a disruption to your journey today.
444 026.
Platform 2 for the 1407 Southwest train service to London Waterloo. Calling at London Road, Guildford, Clapton, Horsley, Effingham Junction, Topham and Stoke Davenant, Offshore, Claygate, Hitchenwood, Surbiton, Wimbledon, Earlsfield.
There's a 450 bound, oh it's stuck, 450 087 and 450 034. Heading to Hazelmere. Now coming in is the last service I'm going to be seeing today. It's a 456 and it's terminating in from Ascot. On the front is 456 020 to 024.
Platform 2 for the 1407 Southwest train service to London Waterloo via Topham and Stoke Davenant.
Hampton Court and Dorking.
444 042.
Exeter St David's, Salisbury, Guildford via Hull, and Shepperton services are amended.
I think that may be the train, the red train. Does that depart? 455 852.